Good morning. This is the third day. Arnav Goswami is in jail. He is jailed to maintain the superior race concept developed after independence by certain region of this country. They got the money, they in majority influentials closer to the Delhi government and created a screen in the country, screen being disseminated through the screen. They create control in the society. Then this racial regional mindset dominate in policy making. Gradually they develop a policy where other regions either in conflict of religions, conflict of economic backwardness, conflict of caste. They create continue conflict zone from Kashmir to Odisha, and today they exposed himself by arresting Arnav Goswami for creating a establishment of its own which represent free fair journalism, which fight for its sovereign going concern organizations named Republic. He want to run its ideology freely according to the constitutional privilege provided to citizens. Unfortunately, this is the first time that judiciary is working and emergency is created for Arnav Goswami and all its working peoples, at least serving 20,000 people's family, 1,000 people directly employed, every people serving at least 10 in his family, and 5 is subordinate worker in the house. At least 20,000 household is going to be affected by the destroying republic. Unconstitutionally doing all this, whole central government cabinet accepted over screen in media and openly. It's unconstitutional. Home Minister of the country is completely agreed and he has narrated, but did not find a single persons to be arrested who is did unconstitutionally by the Home Minister. If someone is violating the constitutions, it is the duty of the Home Minister of the country to make an arrest and put into the jail and release those person who is unconstitutionally illegal detained. So the people are political motivated, trying to save his face by just naming it's a repeat of 1975 emergency, is nothing but doing business of Arnav professional death. murder, not a death, but it's another professional murder. He is professionally murdered. When the world media is enjoying the privilege of political elections in Bihar, in India, and USA, whole world media fraternity is working and enjoying the democratic elections held in USA and going in India, states, Bihar, etc. These people are fighting to survive and live and breathe. So he is not belong to the community racial dominating in the economy of this country. It's a completely unfortunate. When judiciary is functioning in 1975, judicial authority was not functioning. So equalizing its judicial authority when functioning an emergency continue is not an emergency but a racial groups working in colony to murder another racial organization peoples who want to develop and claim in equality as privilege provided by the constitutions. It's a very serious matter need to be investigated by CGI of the India. We appeal with the folded hand to Chief Justice of India to open his eyes, save the country and help the peoples secure their confidence in constitutions and country and sovereign India. Thank you.